How to add subscribe button to YouTube Shorts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device and then go to your Shorts. Click on the short and beside your name you won't find subscribe button. As this is your video, to find subscribe button you will need to switch your account. Simply switch to another account, then search your YouTube channel. After that, go to the Shorts page and then click on the Shorts. After you click on the Shorts, you will find subscribe button beside your name, as you can see, and this is how to add subscribe button to YouTube Shorts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.